Quick Rollback History. The Quick Rollback History is a new option in ZW3D. This is a comparison between ZW3D 2018 and 2019. Do the same operation on the same case. ZW3D 2018 needs about 35 seconds, while ZW3D 2019 only takes less than 3 seconds. Here's another comparison between ZW3D 2018 and 2019. Right-click the same feature in the history. ZW3D 2018 takes about 15 seconds to roll back and respond, but 2019 only needs 2 seconds or less. Finally, let's see more operations to feel how the new quick rollback function works in ZW3D 2019 and how it works faster than ever before. Drag history bar. Redefine any feature. All the operations caused history rollback in ZW3D 2018 to become much faster in ZW3D 2019. This is the new quick rollback in ZW3D 2019. Hope all of you enjoy it.